Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a board for your Trello workspace permanently. So let us get started. Head over to Trello, log into your account, select your workspace here in the top left corner, and here on the left hand side you will see a list of all of your associated boards to the workspace. So select the board with your left mouse, or alternatively guys, you can directly close the given board by hovering your mouse over the given board here on the left list, and by clicking on these three dots and by selecting close board. That's basically it. Now confirm by clicking on close here. That is going to close the given board. Now to access or to reopen an already closed board, head over to your board's overview here in the top left corner, and here we see a button like this, view closed boards. Click on it and simply decide whether you'd like to delete the closed board permanently by clicking on that trash icon or button here, or reopen it by clicking on that button here, but it's totally up to you guys. That's how to delete boards on Trello. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.